How to fix broadcasting not working via Twitch. Some players have reported that they receive an error code when attempting to broadcast gameplay via Twitch on the Xbox platform. We apologize for any difficulties you're having. Here is a workaround that has solved the issue for some players. 1. Scroll left on the home screen to open the guide. 2. Select the gear icon. 3. Select all settings. 4. Select network. 5. Select network settings. 6. Select advanced settings. 7. Select alternate MAC address. 8. Select clear. 9. Select restart. Note, Epic Games has no control over the technical aspects of Twitch streaming on the Xbox platform. For further assistance, we recommend that players reach out to Xbox support directly.